In the web UI of Micetro version 10.5, we can easily now see global object history. So as an example, what we used to do is we would pick an object and we would go to view history and we would get all of the history for that object. But now we can do a global search by going to the admin tab, clicking on logging, and we can either browse or we can search for a specific event maybe with an object type to easily find something that happened. If we get rid of this, we can see over here there's this new category of client, and we can see the client that actually made the change. So we can see all of these changes were made with the web app. But if I were to go to, let's say, another point in time, I can see maybe some changes were made via the REST API. Something else new is that I can go view my own user history quite easily by clicking on the user and viewing that history there. And of course, if you have permissions, you can also search for any user right here in the general logging tab and just type in your user and do a search that way. That's all I have for today. Thanks for watching.